This is the elevator at the J.Crew in New York City. It's a Schindler. Go to M. Which floor? Cut bland. It's gonna be up only because my dad wants me up here. That's actually pretty nice for an MT.
We're gonna write that down.
Go back down to 1. Going down.
This is like a nightmare.
This is a Schindler MT. Pretty nice elevator, considering it's in New York City. There are Fixtures, MT, hands-free, ADA code compliant phone. Fire service. J.Crew, you do a pretty good job with your elevator. So watch the door close. There it goes, and that's it.